The most 5 luxurious hotels in the world, Part 1. Burj Al Arab Jumeirah. The Burj Al Arab Hotel has a 180-meter-high atrium, the world's largest Swarovski crystal ceiling, and a helipad. The interior has been decorated with around 1,800 square meters of 24-karat gold leaf. Situated on its own island, Burj Al Arab Jumeirah features suites overlooking the sea, 8 signature restaurants, and a full-service spa. Guests may arrive at the property by chauffeur-driven fleets of Rolls-Royces or alternatively, by a dedicated helicopter transfer service. The terrace offers 2 swimming pools, 32 luxury cabanas, a restaurant, and a bar. Featuring floor-to-ceiling windows with a panoramic view of the Arabian Gulf, each suite includes a reactor speaker, complimentary Wi-Fi, and widescreen interactive HD TV. A wireless charger and media hub is also available. The Skyview Bar is suspended 200 meters above sea level, where guests can enjoy afternoon tea and cocktails. Al Muntaha is Burj Al Arab's signature fine dining restaurant serving contemporary European cuisine. Talez Spa has both ladies' and gentlemen's relaxation areas featuring an aqua retreat. Facilities include separate indoor infinity pools, hot tubs, and treatment rooms overlooking the Arabian Gulf to complement the spa, along with saunas, steam rooms, and plunge pools. It features cabanas and sun loungers, along with views of Burj Al Arab Jumeirah and the Arabian Gulf. All guests will get access to the Jumeirah Beach Hotel's private beach. Burj Al Arab Jumeirah offers unlimited access to water sports activities at Wild Wadi Water Park Trademark, located just a 5-minute walk across the island bridge. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, so you can see more content like it in the future.